Hello everybody, this is the Ship Modelers Library. Today I will show you a specific book about two more boats that archaeologists have excavated and raised from the collection of ancient ships and boats on the island of Khortytsa in Ukraine. This is History on Frames, which was published by the Ukrainian archaeologist Dmytro Kobalia and his team, the same one who raised the Cossack boat in 2005. I have already shown the book about it. I will add this video to the cards on the top right. This book is multilingual and has an English translation. It was a project of the Khortytsa National Reserve with the support of the US Ambassador's Fund of the Cultural Preservation. This work is dedicated to the study and restoration of the double shallop of the 1737 and the Baidak, a typical wooden cargo barge, one of those that navigate the Dnipro and its tributaries. In the Old World, those boats were well known. The book is well illustrated and has drawings. There is also information about the reconstruction and restoration of these boats. Therefore, it can be interesting both for modelers and for scientists who are interested in the history of the fleet of the Cossack era. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments section below which book would you like to flip through in the next edition.